is the most expensive gray we had, no? Ito po ay binibinta natin ng 200,000 per head, no? Now, itong bloodline na ito ay galing kay Mayor Halandone, which he explained to me, no, the composition of the blood. Kaya nga tinatawag niyang dirty gray because this is Halsey gray, and there is an infusement of mortgage lifter gray inside, very small, and he got it from his father, the late Don Luis Halandone, an old bloodline of mortgage lifter gray. Ang features nito is dark gray with dark legged, and have a very nice body, straight comb. Sometimes may lumalabas na picom, pero kukunti lang. Now, because of maybe mortgage lifter gray, napakaganda ng cutting, na kung minsan magliparan kayo, akala mo hindi tinamaan yung isa, pagbagsak ng isa, namamatay. So, I think doon nakuha ng, kasi marami rin akong nakitang mga regular grays na hindi naman ganun kagaling, no, mag-cut. So, I think doon siya nakakuha sa mortgage lifter gray. So, this is my regular gray.